I have earned 594.23 euros on this particular website, generated 201 leads, and these are all the other statistics. As a matter of fact, this website will pay you every day within 24 hours. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what you need to do to take advantage of this platform right now. So I'm going to be doing a couple of things. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to set up an account on this particular platform. I will show you how to actually make money, and of course, I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw your earnings at the end of the day. Another interesting thing is that I have never talked about this particular platform on this particular channel before now, so it's important that you stay with me from beginning to the end of this video, as I'm going to be leaving no stone unturned. Now, for those of you who are seeing me for the first time, my name is Gerald, and I'm making sure I'm making money online. So what I do is that I try things out, they work. I come right here and show you guys exactly what I've done, and the whole idea is that you can do the exact same thing and of course get the exact same result. So that's it, guys. It's important for you guys to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos just like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. So that's it, guys. Let's jump right in and let me show you guys this particular platform that's going to pay you every single day within 24 hours, guys. So to get started, what you need to do is to click on the first link in my video description, and once you click on it, it's going to bring you to the platform you are looking at right now on my laptop screen. And once you come here, what you need to do is set up a brand new account, and let me show you guys exactly how to do that. So what you need to do is to come here and click on where it says join the best, right? And once you click on join the best, it's going to bring you to this interface where you're going to register for a brand new account on this particular platform called MyLead's.eu. So once here you have two options. You can say continue with Google to actually set up an account with your Google account, you know, or you can go ahead and enter your login, which is basically a username, right? Enter your email address right here, type in your password, put your password again, then hit I accept all consent below, right? And hit start registration. And what's going to happen is that it's going to take you to the next phase where you verify your email address. And once you are done, you can now log into your account. I have actually created a brand new account with which I intend to show you guys exactly how to actually get these things done. So we are on the same page, literally. So what I'm going to do is to come here and click on where it says go back to login to actually log into my brand new account. So I'm going to put in my email address here, my password here. I'm going to hit enter, and it's going to sign me in real quick. So we'll sign out to a brand new account, and right here you can see your earnings right here. You see your leads that you generated and all the other statistics right here. And if you scroll down a bit, you're going to be seeing the offers that are recommended for you, recommended campaigns. You see them right here. So view, Rasta Trev, Fake Mister, Bet on Red, and all of these other ones, right? And another interesting thing is that you can actually have access to the public chat. When you've actually earned up to 25 USD, you can join the public chat, you know. And if I scroll down right here, you're going to see all the other links right here, FAQs, how to contact MyLead.eu, personal data, payments, security, settings and preference, all of those things, right? And another interesting thing is that they actually have a mobile app, both for iOS, Apple devices, and of course Google devices as well, which is Android devices basically. Another interesting thing is that their ratings on Trustpilot is actually off the roof, you know, so you don't have to worry about getting scammed or you making money and you're not getting paid. As a matter of fact, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to withdraw your money as we proceed in today's video. So it's important that you stay with me from beginning to the very end, as I intend to leave no stone unturned. So the big question you might have now is, Gerard, how do you actually make money on this platform? Let me show that to you guys right now. There's actually a lot of ways to make money, but let me show you guys some of it. Now, the first one is to some here, you see affiliate marketing right here. So I'm going to click on this list and you see affiliate campaigns. So I'm going to click on affiliate campaigns, and it's going to show me all the campaigns that's available for me right now for me to actually make money with. Now, look at this campaign right here, AVG campaign, there's Amazon Prime Video campaign, there is Tarata PL, there's mangas, you know, the wall you scroll down, you see a whole lot, Zoo Plus, 4Home, Avast, Compressor, and all of those ones. So there's a whole lot of platforms for me to actually do make money with. I look at Surfshark, I'm going to be earning 28% commission right here. Campaign time, CPS, cookie 30 days, conversion here, and all of those ones, right? So let's say, for instance, I want to go for this particular one, right? I can click on it and it gives me more details, or you can actually come here and filter the kind of campaigns you are seeing with these parameters. So let's say I want categories, for instance, right? I click on categories and I can say that I want dating, I want house and garden, I want beauty and health and beauty, accessories, fashion, or show more to show 20, or conversion types, countries, devices. If some that are country specific, you can actually select all of those ones right here. Select your country, you know, and see things that you can actually promote to those people. So let's say, for instance, I'm going to be leaving all of this the way it is at all. And let's say I want to work with AVG, which is going to give me between $6.98 to $45.56 US, you know, per conversion. right? Cookie is 7 days. Look at this one. It's going to be giving me between 0 to 6.85 USD and Tarata and all of those ones. So let's say I want to work with Amazon Prime. I'm going to click on it. And of course, it's going to give me more information about this particular offer and how I can promote it. So these are the countries, right? These are the countries that you need to get traffic from before you can actually convert this. And if you scroll down a bit, you begin to see the campaign description in terms of promotion, attributes, and all of those things. If you're interested in joining this, please contact support. So if you're interested in joining this offer, you have to contact support, right? Contacting support is actually very easy. You can just click here, you know, and reach out to support MyLead.eu. Click on this place and actually contact support. It is that easy and that seamless, right? So let's go back. So let's say I'm looking for an offer from my country. I'm going to click on this place, right? And it's going to show me a few offers from available in my country right now. So I just selected my country, and you see that there are the offers that are available in my country right here. So let's say this is CPA, right? CPA, which is cost per action. It's easy to actually make a lot of money with CPA. I've made videos about CPA like 2 years ago. If you want me to make more detailed video about CPA, let me know in the comment section. I'm not here to actually make that video. But what CPA means literally is that you get paid for when people actually take action. They don't necessarily need to buy stuff, maybe fill in their email or something. So let's say Tarata, for instance, I want to work with this, and this gives you $24.53 US for every action. So I'm going to click on this. And it's going to open. As it opens right here, it's going to give us more information about the things that needs to be done for us to earn this money. So this is Tarata PL, right? These countries are accepted, and this is the amount you earn per action. So what's the description? This is it right here. You can go ahead and actually read through this to understand exactly the things that you need to do. Amount available 100 to 60 PL, repayment period is this and blah, blah. So you need to take your time to actually go through all of this and understand exactly what you need to do to actually get this money, right? So everything is listed right here, loan approval and all of those things. Then you can come here and go to terms of production, and you see AdWords ads are forbidden, so you cannot promote with AdWords and all of those things, right? And of course, attributes as well. So let's go back. I want to show you guys something real. I'm going to come back here to affiliate campaigns, right? I want to show you guys something real quick. As a beginner, if you come to this platform, you're going to be having an issue. Let me explain what that issue is and how to actually fix it. If you come here, you see that you'll not be able to actually join some of these campaigns, right? You see the join buttons are actually grayed out for this, right? So you might actually see this one should be available for you. Yeah, this one's actually available as a beginner because this is a brand new account, right? But for you to actually get to campaigns that are available for you, what you need to do is to come here, go to campaigns and select beginner. And this will give you a whole lot of campaigns that are available for you as a beginner. So you can actually click on the join button. So all these campaigns are available for you as a beginner. So you decide the one that you want to go with. So let's say, for instance, you want to go with Trivago. I'm going to come here and hit join. Right, this is going to open. Before you join the campaign, we need to verify your traffic source. This is very important, the traffic source. Now, when you are creating your account, you have the option to actually put your traffic source. But if you didn't do that, you have to do that right here. I'm going to close this. Come here to traffic source, right? Add traffic source. You can actually click on this place or here, whichever is fine. I'm going to click on add traffic source. Actually add our traffic source. So you can add a page, a blog, a forum, you know, mail database, social media, mobile application, whatever it is that you have, orders, right? So I'm going to be choosing social media, which is what most people will actually choose. So you can use LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, whatever it is. You can expand this and see all the other social media platforms right here. So let's say I want to work with YouTube, for instance, right? I'm going to select YouTube URL. I'm going to put in my URL, youtube.com/onlinehustletv. Number of subscription, I have 448,000 subscribers right now. Right, in categories, I'm going to select what category? Expand, business, knowledge, you know, all of those things, right? Things that I actually talk about on my channel, services, you know, stuff like this, right? So I'm going to come here, 18 plus content. Nope, I don't do 18 plus content. Do you want to add additional information? Nope. So I'm going to hit add traffic source, and this is loading right now. I say success, added successfully, right? So I have added my traffic source right now. So I can now come back to our campaign. So I can come here. Let's say I want to go with Avast. I'm going to click on join, right? So once I click on join, it's going to say a traffic. So I'm going to select here, select my traffic source. That's how I intend to promote, right? I'm going to come here right now and say promotion method description. So I'm going to explain exactly how I'm going to be promoting. I might say something like that I'm going to be using my YouTube channel to promote by making videos or, you know, stuff like that. I'm going to be writing an article on my blog. I'm going to be posting on Facebook or whatever it is, right? I'm going to explain all of that right here and say agree to terms of service. And of course, I'm going to say send for verification. What's going to happen is that the owners of this product is going to pay attention to what I've written, you know, check my traffic source and either approve or decline. So the best strategy would be for you to send a lot of applications, right? Just sit down and send 50 applications. I can assure you that at least 10 is going to approve you, and your promotion method is going to start, right? That's one way to actually make money on this particular platform. Another way to make money on this platform is something called surveys, right? You can click on surveys and it's going to show you a whole lot of surveys. Now, for these surveys, you must show terms, and of course, you must read through these terms, and of course, you must accept these terms of service, right? So this is counting down. Once it gets to 0, you'll be able to click on this submit to show that you have actually read through this thing. And I will encourage you to take your time and actually read through these terms of service, so you don't get to the point where you make money and you get not paid because you violated something that is written right here. So I'm going to hit submit. And at this particular point in time, there are no surveys for me because of my geographical location. So where you are, what will most likely be different. So go ahead, any survey that you see here, go ahead and take that survey, and that will potentially make you money on this particular platform. You can also take your time to go through the terms of using survey and of course the FAQ, to take your time to actually go through all of this for a better understanding. Now, the third way, which is another interesting way to actually make money on this particular platform, is something called Offerwall. So Offerwalls are basically for app developers or blog owners, people that actually want to retain users or send users to their platform. So you can actually come here and set up an offer. Let me show you how to do that. So you can come here to tools and click on Offerwalls. So let's say we own an app and want to actually add it to Offerwall. So what I'm going to do is to come here and click on add Offerwall reward, right? Because we want people to download our apps, So I'm going to come here, Offerwall name, download and install my app. What's my app name? The link to my app on Google Play, right? Multiplier, I'm going to be leaving this alone. So you actually take your time to actually read through this to understand what the multiplier is about. So I'm going to come here, what the points, currency name. You can actually name it anything, big points, points pro, whatever it is, right? Then point abbreviation, right? So what kind of app is this? Is it iOS? Is it Android? Is it web? Whatever it is, right? So let's say this is an Android app. No, so who and who is this for? Is it for 18 plus? Is it gambling? So these are not limited to all of this. So I'm going to check it, and you don't need to submit any pin. Customize team. You can actually customize your team by coming here and actually customizing your team. You can do all of that, right? So I'm going to come here and hit add Offerwall, and this has added successfully. So this has been added successfully, and there are a couple of things you can do. Preview. You can choose displayed offers, copy website codes. You can clone this with this, right? You can delete or you can edit, whichever is completely fine. So anything you want to do, this will actually help you get all of that done. There's some other ways to make money on this platform, which include content lockers, CPA locker, capture locker, file lockers, offer APIs, incent campaigns, mobile rewards. There's also something called smart links, which is basically new on MyLead.eu. I'll most likely talk about in an upcoming video if you guys are interested. There are coupons and promotions, hide links, passage of offers, damage links, right? Another thing is, how do you actually withdraw your money after you've made money on this particular platform? How do you withdraw your money? You've made money from affiliate campaigns, you made money from surveys. How do you withdraw your money? Let me show that to you guys right now. If you come here to withdrawal, so once you come to this interface, you're going to be seeing the available money you have, right? Accepted, pending, and rejected, right? And the option to withdraw your money is going to show up right here once you have a balance right here. The question you might have is, what are the withdrawal options available? Let me show that to you guys right now. Number 1 is PayPal. Number 2 is Skrill. You can also use USDT, Tether. Basically, you can use Revolut account, and you can use Bitcoin to make withdrawal. So it's easy, right? If you're in a third world country where your bank accounts are not available, you can use Tether, USDT, or Bitcoin. If you're in Europe, Revolut works very well. Skrill works most everywhere in the world. PayPal works almost everywhere in the world, right? So MyLead.eu actually got you covered, right? I hope this actually does make sense. In a separate video, I have shown you guys 8 different ways to make money online. These are proven strategies, and that's the video showing up right here, right now, guys. So until I see my next video, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.